It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
My name is Nimphius and I'm from the Oracle Digital System Product Management team. In these 2 minutes I want to show you how you can set the value of complex entity type variables programmatically in .ml. So let's get started. Complex entity types in Oracle Digital Assistant include date, number, person and other entities that save their information as an object and not as a primitive. If you want to set those values programmatically, then the first component that comes to mind is the set variable component. Now in this example, I use a set variable component and an Apache FreeMarker expression to set the variable of type date entity to the current date. At runtime, however, it seems it doesn't work out the way that I think it would. And if we look at the conversation tester here, we see that the date is set, but it's set as a string. Now the reason for this is that the set variable property sets primitives, int, boolean and string. The right component to use is the SystemMatch entity component. As you can see in this example, the SystemMatch entity component takes 2 references. One reference is to a string variable, the source variable, which holds, in my case, the date. And the other is to a variable of the target entity type, which is the date entity in my case. Now at runtime, this produces the result that we were expecting. And if we look at the conversation tester, we see that the date actually is saved as a complex object. So it has a date attribute and the original string attribute. So the right way to set values on a complex entity type is to use a SystemMatch entity component.
Was that a good tip?
Quite a sight, wasn't it, sir?
We want your opinion. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.